Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can get free Roblox gift cards. And this is a very straightforward method. So we are going to go to your default browser and you're going to type in all 41 site. You're going to click on this first link that you find here. And then you are going to sign up. As you can see, this is the page where you'll be brought to. I would require you to sign in. For me, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. As you can see, this is my account and password. So we are going to log in. As you can see, I already have some balance here, and I'm going to show you how you can get some balance. The first method, you can tap on the screen here. As you can see, it's still increasing my chances, but if you want to get a higher yield, you'll have to spin and win. As you can see, I only have one spin left. I'm going to press on this spin. As you can see, I already got 5,000. As you can see here. So many of you are wondering, how can you put this amount into your Roblox? So you are going to go to the withdraw section, and then you are going to scroll down up to where it tells you Roblox. Now I'm going to go to this option here. This option here. I'm going to click on this option. So you'll be required to enter your Roblox ID. So this is my Roblox ID here, Edward 5271. I'm going to key in. And then you are just going to simply press OK. So we are going to wait for it to load. So you need to carry out one final survey in order for you to get that gift card. So when you carry this survey, when you do this survey rather, you will need to wait for around 30 minutes for it to be reviewed and for it to be agreed and approved. So that is simply how you get a free gift card for Roblox. I hope you find this content useful. And if you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me whether in the comment section whether it has worked for you.